Hey everyone, welcome back to this Urdu tutorial series. So in this video, we're going to learn a few more alphabets. We will see what these alphabets are, how it's been pronounced, and what's the equivalent for English. All right. So the next alphabet is Fei, and how you write it, you have to put like this one, 0, and then this straight line and this curve, and you have to put one dot over there. Okay. So this is Fei. In English, its equivalent alphabet is F. Okay, you pronounce it Fei, and the pronunciation examples you could see like fan or fever. Okay, so the next alphabet is cough. So how you write it, you have to put like this one, curve, 0, curve, then 2 dots. Okay, so this is equivalent to Q, and like you pronounce queen in English, that's the pronunciation you do. So you understand how you need to write. You have to put the 0 and then curve. Okay, so the next alphabet is calf, and this is equivalent with English alphabet K. How you need to write, you have to put like straight line, then this one, one line, and this one. So this is calf, and similar pronunciation is a king, and this in English alphabet it would be like K. Okay, so the next alphabet is Gaf. How you write it, you have to put this line, then again this one, then like this way, and again you have to make one line. So this is Gaf, and in English you have to pronounce like go. All right, so let's see all in one. Fei, how you write it, you have to put this 0, then curve, then one dot, then calf, how you need to write 1 0, like same one, then 2 dot. So in Fei you have 1 dot, in calf you have 2 dot. Similarly in calf you have this one and like this way, and in calf you have this one and this way, right? So just make sure the difference is you have to put one line here, and in the calf and calf you have to put two dots here and one dot here. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you find this useful, just share with your family and friends who want to learn Urdu, and subscribe the channel for all latest video updates.